Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix TOZO OpenEgo when they are not pairing with your Bluetooth device. Let's say that I have trouble with connecting these headphones with my Android smartphone. So what I can do is turn off Bluetooth on my device, on my smartphone. So let's do that. Then what you need to do is simply reset the headphones. So what you need to do is tap 6 times on the logo of the headphones. So over here we have the logo, tap on it 6 times, and if you do this correctly, you will see the blinking white light. It should blink several times, and then it should switch to red for 1 second, and after that you should do the hard reset of the headphones, so they will restart. So let's try to do that. I'm gonna try to tap 6 times on the logo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Now we can see the white light, now it's red, and now they have restarted. After you've done the restart, what you need to do is simply turn the Bluetooth back on and try to connect to your headphones. Now in my case they are connected automatically. In your case you might need to refresh the list of available devices and try to pair them again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.